Hello everyone, this is Bijon. Welcome back to Quarter 143. Today also I'm going to show you another masterpiece, easy landscape painting in Procreate. As usual, I'm going to use Procreate application in my iPad here. So first on like a blank canvas, I'm going to use this color and I have to just drag the color. You have to choose the color. You can use this color as well as you can use any other color as well. So I'm going to drag the color. Make sure you have to do the create another layer and use a little bit dark. Use the box brush and just make it like a mountain peak, one mountain peak. Like I have to do it three of them, so like one by one I have to do it. I have to make one first, just draw it like that and drag the color. That's it. Now I'm going to create another layer. I have to do same color, but I have to do the alpha lock first. But let me do it these things first. If it will create it. Okay, let me do the alpha lock. Give me a minute. Okay, I'm going to use this color, little bit white. I'm going to use airbrushing soft brush, maximum size, and just do it like that. On the background, on layer, first layer, I'm going to do it because I forgot to do it, so I have to do it on the first layer. So I have to do the same thing on second layer. So I have created another layer for layer 3. I have to do the alpha lock for the layer 2. I'm going to do the same thing here as well, but not don't press hard, just tap it few. I'm going to do another layer. I'm going to use the same color. Give me a minute. Same brushes, brush color vial. Okay, I have to do the layer. I have to above the layer 2. Okay, so layer 4, I have to do the again mountain peak, few of them from this side. You can change it according to your prospect, like how you are going to draw and drag the color. See, it's look amazing still now. But I have to do like a select. If you like think that I have to do little bit upper, you can do it. You have to just select and drag it. So I think I have to do these things in middle of the portion, so on the canvas. So don't worry about the lower portion, you can change it anytime. So I'm going to use this same way like alpha lock. Then you have to use the airbrushing, this color, same color you can use it, that's not a problem, because this is the easiest way to draw. I told you, like I'll guide you like a step by step easy way to how to draw nature painting or anything in Procreate. This is actually Victor art. So I'm going to do the same thing, like another mountain peak. As I told you, I will use only three of them, three of different layer. I have to drag the color. Again, I have to do the alpha lock, and I have to do with the airbrushing, same color which I used previously on previous layer. Okay, I'm done. So I'm going to use like a black color now. Create another layer. I have to do the lower portion, that is not mountain. Okay, that is not mountain, but I'm going to use this portion. Just do it like that. You can change it like after that. Drag it. Okay, on the left side I have to draw a tree. Just make it these things first, and I have to draw one seal house. Draw it like according to, if you want to draw something like a bigger one, you can do it. If you want to draw anything little bit, but I'm just going to like make you understand that how you can draw like in Procreate in easy step. Like it will take like 10 to 15 minutes, not more than that, to be honest with you. For me, when I'm I'll guide you, that's why I'm doing it step by step. But when you are perfect with this, like it will take only 10 minutes for this kind of drawing. Like you can draw anything like this way. So I'm just using this, and make sure tomorrow I'll be live and I will show you how to use brushes. So like on Procreate, like which brush and what purpose you can use it. So I'll guide you those things. Okay, so stay tuned, and I hope you can visit tomorrow my channel. I'll be live maybe 11:30 or 12 o'clock, like that time at Indian time. Okay, I'll let you know. So I'm going to use this color. I'm just to fill up the black color as well. Let me do it first. Okay, so I have to do these things to this portion a little bit. upper, which is look nice. Okay, I'm just using this color. I have to do a little bit darker. Yeah, that's good now. Okay, I'm going to use studio pen now for the tree branches. I have to do a few tree branches here, like tree branches, the total whole tree branches I have to make it first, so that will be easier. So after that I'm going to draw the like the rest of the things. So I have to draw the tree branch. So let me do the tree branches. As you know that like a tree branch you can make it through studio pen. Don't need to use any other. If you want to use any other brushes, syrup or anything else, you can do it, but for me studio pen is the easy way, or else you can use the medium hand brush as well from the airbrushing. You can use that one as well, but this is for me, this is the easy to use for tree branches, for only tree branches I'm talking about. You can use it, it's easy for me. So let me do it first, and make sure you have to fill it if you can see like middle of things. Yeah, that's why you have to fill up like this way. Okay, so let me fill up first. Like this, make it not like this, make it drop. So I'm going to create another layer. I'm going to just do layer 7. I'm just going down the layer 6. Like I just created that layer because I'm going to use it. I'm going to use the Tylia brush, little bit lighter color, like a dark light. It's called, it's maroon, you can call it. Have to do the three things. First I'm going to use this color, then I'm going to use like step by step the lighter color. So it will because it's the easiest way, so don't worry about it for to make it real or anything else. This is kind of conception, or you can call it conception art, concept art, whatever it is called. I don't know so actually, but yeah, you can but it's look good. Like it is it from as I know that this is called vector art format, in this format, digital art you can call it. Like it's the easiest way for who is trying to learn something in Procreate, or they're beginners, who is using Procreate at the very first time. So for those people, this is the easiest way to draw anything. So for me, if you take my suggestion, try to draw these things at your home, and do let me know and share with me, mention my channel name, so I would like to see your artwork. Like if you are going to do it the same things, you can do it. Otherwise, if you can do your own creation, do let me know as well. Okay, so I have just using this color like a background. I have to use a little bit more darker. Either you can use it black, but for I can suggest you don't go with a literally black. Either use a dark dark maroon, like that you can use it. So don't use totally black color, that's not look nice. So now I'm going to use the layer which I created. Now I'm going to use the complete red, which is the top portion, but few portion I'm going to use that lower as well, but I have to drop down the opacity. So let me do these things, just make it. Now it's look nice. I hope you can check. So that's why I'm saying this is the only easy format to draw anything. But you have to know when you are trying to draw this kind of things, you have to know two things, like how you are going to draw your presence of mind, that I have to draw these things, and you have to know the brushes, how to use brushes, and what brush can do what they can do. So you have to use accordingly, the brushes, which brush you have to use. You need to do just need to know these things, that's it, nothing else, and you can draw anything in Procreate. Just need to know which brushes for what work. So don't worry, we'll let you know tomorrow. As I told you, I'll be live on tomorrow, and I'll let you know what I the brushes work. Okay, so I'm going to do the background as well. like I have to just using the different layer, bottom layer, and just do the background. I'm going to use few of them, few red color as well here. Just make sure like if it's good properly or not. Just make the outer things look good. That's it. I think I'm done with this tree. I'm not going to make a little bit more difficult for you guys, so you can like I'll make it easiest way for you. Okay, I'm going to use now little bit tree branch, studio pen as usual. Just going to make it a little bit, few of them, but I don't do like lots of things. Like you can do it few of middle portion. I have to use little bit lower portion. I think it's okay. This one it's good. Okay, now I have to. It's look invisible, but it's like whatever it's look nice then. See, I hope you can check. Like I'm also done with this. Few of them, not so much. You have to do it. You have to do it just few of steps. That's it, and you have to do these things as well, which is look prominent. One here, one here, and another one. I have to do it little bit here. Okay, okay. Now it's good. Now it's look good. Okay, now I'm almost done with this painting. It's the easiest way painting. I'm going to do last things. I'm going to do the circle with the studio. You can use studio pen as well or Pascal while go just a circle, press hold it and hold from the different angle. It will be circle. And just select and just place this here. Okay, I'm going to just fill up, and also I'm going to use here. Oh, I have to drop down the. Okay, I have to go down underneath the black canvas. Okay, I'm going to use this now. I have to do these things also red. Okay, okay. Now I'm going to adjustment bloom it, make 100%. If it's up to you how you are going to look it. I'm going to use another yellow color and you have to bloom it once again, or else you can just blur it. I'm going to blur it, but you can do the bloom as well. That's not a problem. Just I'm going to blur it, which is look prominent. So I'm done with this payment. Sorry, not payment. I'm sorry for that. I'm done with this painting, and thank you so much for watching this video. And I hope it's look good. And as I told you, I would like to see your artwork. Do let me know in my comment section. How is this? Is it useful for you? Is it tutorial? Is it you can learn something from this painting? Do let me know in the comment section. Share your artwork. I would love to see your artwork, and make sure do let me know as well in the comment section that what I have to draw next time. I'll try to do it in my next video. So for now, bye, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much once again. Bye bye.